Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of my sort of helpful videos. So this video is going to be about how to do a nozzle check on your inkjet printer. This is an Epson Workforce 7210. It's the A3 tray, A4 tray, a bit of A4 in there at the moment, A3, A4. This one's quite a nice one because it's got the LCD display on the front, so you don't have to do it. You can do it with the software on the on your PC or Mac, but you can also do it from here. So when you put the tray in, it goes like that. So if you've got an inkjet printer, you'll have to do maintenance on it. These ones tend to be quite reliable actually. I use these a lot. Zoom in, let's get that cleaned up. I use these printers every day, multiple times a day, and they're very reliable. You don't have to do that much maintenance compared to the older ones. If you're wondering what this is, it's a constant ink supply system. So that's the piping for it. So in order to do a nozzle check, so if you're getting prints and bits are missing, or you're getting banding on the print, so if you print like black and you're getting a bit banding on it, or pictures with lines, you've probably got some blocked nozzles on your print head. So obviously this is the print head here. These are the cartridges. So what you need to do is go to settings, OK, then scroll down. These are the buttons, maintenance, and then go print head nozzle check, and just go up for yes. It's really simple, but it'll show you basically where the issue is. It's quite quick to do as well. So I have actually done some cleaning on this a few days ago because I use it so much. So as you can see here, here's the black. These lines should all be solid, but there's a few bits missing here and there, so I'm just going to do a head clean on it. You don't want to do this too many times either, but let's just do a head clean on it. So clean print head, and let's just do all colours. So that's how you do a head clean, a nozzle check and head clean on one of these printers. I'll probably post some more videos on how to do bits. A word of warning with these printers: if you've got a constant ink supply system like this hooked up, every time you turn the printer on and off, it's going to want you to put new cartridge in. Obviously you don't do that. So with this system here, what you would do is you'd come on, it would ask you to replace the cartridges. You would then hold the reset switch down for 5 seconds, put the lid thing back in, close it, and it'll do like an ink purge. But obviously every time it does that, it uses a lot of ink to do it. So I personally leave these printers on, and I just do the occasional bit of maintenance, and I print quite a lot of stuff and they're absolutely fine for me. But if you're leaving these for a long period of time, you really want to do maintenance on them. Print the odd thing out, like an inkjet test print. At least do something with it. Don't let the ink dry up. Right, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, ask me.